Hello guys, in this video we are going to install Burp Suite Professional from its official site. We download it and we have to download one extra files. We combine these two and run some commands and we can get it for free. So let's start. At first, here I have some things. I have this commands. Don't worry, I'll provide you to the description. You can get it from there. You guys can copy it from the description and paste it to the Firefox or Chrome. If you use this would be best or better. If you guys use Safari, then you might get stuck in that one extra file. I tried that and I got stuck, so use Firefox or Chrome. This would my recommendation. Now paste it here and you guys can download it from here. Download it, this just click it, or if you guys want new version, just remove it and hit enter, and you guys see all the versions. I have already downloaded this version, so just if you guys just click the download button, it will started. So I cancel it because I already have it, and we also have the one extra file downloaded, which is called BurpLoaderKeygen.jar File. So copy it from here, Command C, and paste it to the new command and hit enter, and you can download it. Just download and it will start downloading. It's just a 36.5 KB, so you don't have to wait. And minimize it. I had said I already have Burp Suite downloaded and I have this keygen, so now you have to just download this one and this one and a little bit commands which I'll provide in you the description. So these are the commands. One is this, another is this, and this. And don't worry, this is optional. If you get the error, then I would hope you guys will not get. Just drag and drop it from here to here. Oh sorry, I already have it, so I will refresh it. Oh no, here is I have downloaded it. Let's open. Open, and you guys can see here it asks me to enter the license key. I don't have, so I'll cancel it. Yes. Go to Finders, Application, search for the Burp Suite Professional, double click on it. Double click means you can get options. Right click and show package contents, click on it, go to the content, go to the resource, go to the application, and now you guys have to copy that files which we have downloaded to here. So I will try to do this. Open and drag and drop from here to here. Okay, we did this. Just close it, go to the terminal. Go to the terminal. Let me zoom. Command plus. Now hope you guys you can see, right? Hope you guys can see this. I think you guys can. So go to here, copy this command from here at first and paste it here, hit enter. Again copy it from here and hit enter. We are doing this because we this command which we have just copy it, this command, this start the registration application, how do you call it, software like this. And here we go, this is the name to license to, so I will name it to the use this because this is my username. So I run this. Now I get this. It asks for enter key, right? So let me copy it from here. Control Command A, Command C, Command V. Next, click on the manual activation. Copy the request, paste it here. Command V, right? Again Command A. You have to copy the activation response. So Command A, Command C. Now here paste the resource and next. Hit it. Okay, next. How you guys get it right? This is Burp Suite Professional new version, and it's temporary license to this. Okay, wait, it's not completed yet. Close it. Let's close it again. And if you guys try to open it, oh, what? We again have this. Wait, we have to run some commands or copy paste it. Go to here, go to Finder, Application, Burp Suite Professional, right click on it, show package manager, contents, and you see this, right? BM options. Just double click on it. Just copy these commands, Command C, and replace all these contents with which commands we have copied it, and Command S, cross it. Now let's try. Oh, we got it. You guys can see. You got it.